At a press conference today at the Congress Bhavan in Shillong, the leader of the opposition in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Ronnie V Lyngdoh, discussed the Indian National Congress's candidacy for the 1 Shillong and 2 Tura Parliamentary Seats in the upcoming MP elections.
That is the candidate selection of the candidates for the Lok Sabha seat, Shillong and Tura. So until and unless the Aicc approves, we cannot disclose the names, but we've received application and we've had the Pradesh Election Committee and we have given our views and comments, and the Aicc in charge has just left, Dr. Chelak Kumar, along with the recommendation from the Pradesh Election Committee of Meghalaya. So we will be able to give you the names only after approval from Aicc, that is the Central Election Committee. But this only indicates that we are fully prepared to face the election to the Lok Sabha from both Shillong and Tura seats.
Lok Sabha MP Vincent H. Pala addressed questions about his role defending his actions in advocating for the rights of the people of Meghalaya.
I think that is wrong. It is there in records in Parliament that I have raised a number of times of the ILP in Meghalaya. I have raised a number of times of the inclusion of the Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule. I think I'll prove for that, I think.